Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Rice Krispies cereal. First, gather your ingredients: 4 tablespoons of butter, 10 ounces of mini marshmallows, and 6 cups of crispy rice cereal. You'll also need a large pot or microwave-safe bowl and a 9 by 13-inch pan. Lightly spray your pan with non-stick spray to prevent sticking later. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in your large pot over low heat or in the microwave. Once melted, add 10 ounces of mini marshmallows. Stir continuously until the marshmallows are completely melted and form a smooth, gooey mixture. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture, so take your time and ensure everything is well combined before moving on to the next stage. Now, remove the marshmallow mixture from the heat. Gently fold in 6 cups of crispy rice cereal. Stir until all the cereal pieces are thoroughly coated with the sweet, sticky marshmallow. Once combined, transfer the mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan. Use a buttered spatula or wax paper to press the mixture down firmly and evenly. This creates a compact and delicious treat. Finally, let your Rice Krispie treats cool completely for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. Once cooled, use a sharp knife to cut them into 24 equal squares. This makes them perfect for sharing or enjoying as a quick snack. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade crispy treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.